Okay, Ebusia, so you know what say na yes am akwa be Emerald GH report so na report ayense ka no chese team legal wives is omo ye word say medika ebeka kire wo no na they are going to the extra mile say omo invite foreign lawyers ama omo timi abam because they say no say susuan pa say the Lumba entimi anya will na say ekwakoba say ye the PNDC law 111 na eba be ye dia na ewo se ye Maame Akosua Serwaa nso enya a lawyer for akunyine a ombetimi agina nachi aboama chese bibibia timai dai akoso enti ene ukopie mu a TikTok ho dia abusua enkomo a ekoso nyina eye the invitation of foreign lawyers se omoso mra na omontimi emewura mu emuama assembly no entimi enkoye enti abusua in the coming days no se wote se ye Maame Akosua Serwaa enam no so ama foreign lawyers abawura mu ewo assembly mu a emane enya wonwa yemumra mu na yenkotie sede enkomo no sifa ekoye.
Oh yes, na omugine mu say omoye that the Lumba's lawyers in the same time no omoye oprega lawyers no with all these letters now omo try say even say mama say wa core properties any of the properties now she will be questioning and all that no pesa a letter now omo try no omo seizing from any properties no. What is she going to do about that? Because that is coming from a lawyer, almost yes, quote and unquote, Daddy Lumba, omo client, no.
I've carefully listened. Fati has changed her tone. Last time she was on UTV, she said that the letters was written for ABUSUAPANIN. ABUSUAPANIN has instructed her to write that letter. So she's moved away from saying that she's Daddy Lumba's lawyer to ABUSUAPANIN. Now, you guys have raised a big issue that I want to bring to your attention. Now, I don't know how the kids will feel, but you know, one thing that I think we need to do is we need to protect the sanity, the mental health of Maame Akosua Serwaa's children, because I think that I think about my son and how protected he is. And it's something like even if my son was older and in the UK in his own bubble and this was going on and you had lawyers and influential people directly contacting my son, how would they be mentally affected by all of this? And I think as a group like Team Legal Wife, I think what we need to do is get another lawyer specifically dedicated to those 3 children. And any communication that Fati and any other person needs to have with the children needs to go through their lawyers. And
that's exactly what I was coming to say.
So I think we just really need to strategize. Like we need to protect their sanity. We need to protect them, and the way we need to do so is to ask them to fully stay away from the drama, which means that we protect them like they are our children. If we love Maame Akosua Serwaa, we need to protect her children like with every bone in our. And to me, the only way we can protect them from this is to convince them to instruct their own lawyers that we would contribute to paying for, that lawyer would be dedicated to supporting them through this difficult process, providing them with their own legal advice so they can maneuver through the process with their own dedicated lawyers. I think then they don't need to have any communication with anyone else's lawyer. The lawyer should speak to their lawyers, and that Fati and no one else should be contacting them directly from now on. So that is my proposal, and I hope Queen can share that with Mom, and Mom can share that with the children and see the children agree. But I think we need to essentially get them their own lawyers and ask that they provide instructions that all communication should be through the lawyers. If Daddy Lumba was alive right now, do you think the people who are having direct access to those kids would have had access to them? No. Daddy Lumba hid those kids. Daddy Lumba protected them significantly. So why now? Why not everyone thought that they can just call them when they feel like it? Put unnecessary stress on them. So I think it's about time that they put the barriers up. They protected their sanity. They have somebody who's experienced, act on their behalf and help them make decisions.
Yeah, that is laudable. again, so before, because with the kids, or they are not kids anymore, they are older adults. That's what we call them. Until now, their understanding will be, it has to be a process. Into me, my question is, into the lawyers no can't they stop, because Maame no ne manning cry Calvin no. So can they stop them before you bring your lawyers? They can't go through the kids no, because they are my kids.
Mom can't speak for them. So it's like they're all grown adults now.
Yeah.
I mean, I said children and kids because obviously that just a word, but they're grown adults. But I think if they understood that they had somebody who would be considering. So, for example, if Fatty has a proposal. And he wants to put the proposal to them, she should put it to their lawyers and let their lawyers think about it, advise them, and then they will give their lawyers instructions. There is no selling stories to bloggers on about what they think or what they're saying, twisting their words, trying to use them against their mom, causing friction for them. At the end of it, that is the reason why I'm saying that it's not even about. It's about controlling what's going on. This chaos.
Yeah. What I meant was, also before yenkonya omo that enya lawyers no. Yentimi ma lawyers no active from now until they get their specific lawyers now be acting on their behalf no. So because now what I see is not just misleading them. It's like they are bullying them to accept something that they don't want to. Because fatty of a woman, I don't know the kind of conversation that we're having with them from all this while now. She feels so at ease or better phone anytime to call this Calvin or any Charlene or anybody to tell her, say, hey, mama say, which is not right. And now we are going through that process no. My lawyers need to means she's that barrier before omobe secure or more personal lawyers no.
I mean, you can get a lawyer in a day. You know, instructing a lawyer is not a long process. But I think to make things seem fair, to make things seem fair, giving them their own personal lawyer makes things seem fair, rather than one party's lawyer appearing to be influencing, any group of people. Am I making sense?
Oh yeah, what you're making is very good way to bring about, but on said now no. Ma will decide with them anyway, and we don't know how long it's going to take them to accept the whole thing, because as we are saying, only adults. And I wish say that will be like a one-day talk, and then they will accept and then go ahead with it. I don't know how much it's going to cost at the moment for them and how it's going to affect whatever their budgets are. But I think say okay, a very, very good grounds for said the beya obia grant Calvin more voice anywhere again. Because if you have to go through the lawyers, you don't just get a response straight away. The lawyers have to go through like back and forth with whoever or person or created this chaos no. And again, my question again was about Islam. I don't know, estate in a very vast estate. I don't think that anytime you are talking, it hits at a point our Islam going feel. Is there something Mimi who said there's something these people are hiding? I didn't think that upon all these houses now estates are owning in ano. Anything also they are fighting for is about Islam on that. Mentia say what is going on? And then the crowd wasn't built for say papa ne family kwa omokro musi and betnem. It was built for a hotel or something. It's been the particular bedroom 17 bedroom no. Or pregnant person or no moment now. Meanwhile, it wasn't you. You are not part of the whole thing. It's now they are residing there no. Are they paying any rent to anybody? Now, are they paying any rent? And because one of Niwe no or no aka say or rent it. She said say or rent it. Who is she paying the rent to now? At the moment. And I know you to me find out Jomana.
Sorry, guys.
Okay, she's back.
No, I'm not. I'm just picking up my shopping. I've just had shopping delivered to me. Food shopping. 1 minute.
Okay. Sometimes the whole thing about this East Lagos, me this will be kakrana me just me who they
over the years it's going to be a hot cake. Every year accumulating, that's what I think.
That okay, and let's say
oh. Yeah.
Papa no musie no hontina.
There's something that apart from a dine on person on person criminated and then on person be able. That is what pay fee no. Because I'm ready Accra my
concern
areas we don't even live there anymore.
Mama Wankasa open full house no so half. I don't know who is leaking the document outside, but according to Gossip 24, the file from the High Court says that she wants half of each property.
I bet before I could confirm it say a true so I will anyway.
I confirm.
I confirm your friend is say come on.
Interesting times ahead.
Who say or accept TV, you know. I know said there was no will, but the reason why I want will say not only so yet to why Kempon will influence the Supreme Court into the baby
Brad or something. Is Kempon involved in any of this shit?
Or Sakochina be real. I'm saying this girl. I said I will be enfino now. Person be use Kempon, but we are not going to go for her on that ground because on no accept defeat said there's no will anyway.
The entire Neniabre East Legon, you know, say East Legon, a very big area, right? And I over to me at East Legon, Fiena bear $200,000 or even more than that. And so when you feel now, so Otimi Tonwa, why a big girl. And na on person me fie na kono.
That's $200,000. That's a whole lot of money right there.
$200,000 might estimate.
As an example, that is okay. But yeah. Maybe press la na oti fie no. Why no ho a ope say yemfa efie ne ma one ne ma because one ne ma ne do so no. Me say me bisa no. One ne ma ne yes so me 6 yet 6 free 3 free but say beka 3. Right? Nti mama say wa ma 3 ne he na omo so nkotena. Omo me empeni phone no. O man ketua na wo betimi ayi omo free one place to the other. You don't want them to move. Na mpanimfo no mom no moving coin. So this maintenance say ho na nkra na nyini na ho na nkra na nyini we hen. Who so no in growing up no baby na ma me de otete na ho na wote ana. Now we do travel with our kids even abroad kra no say baby abe wo ba no. Who say when wo ba na nyina also I don't like this neighborhood. Say utimi two kotra baby for right? Now don't you come and tell us say ho na wo ma na nyini ho ni they feel comfortable as we aboard them. They feel comfortable, say.
So perfume they so
they are selling it.
That's what you Otimi ye DNA na say ba say bi ankra ne nyina ye Lumba mba there may be ma obetimi etu no hofo we like obetimi e bi obeka say okay we the many to ankra ne ye mekunu mind we the many to there's a lot of houses into the many to me yemfa we man. So it's a
hotel. It's not for a commercial. It's not for commercial. It's not for private use. I'm basically for commercial or momo business. It's mama crying a dino, and you don't know person or name or person or for the business because it's, you know that was the main focus. It's almost the dino for. It's no person or day. And then we crowd on per crown fancy homeless because I get no better if you on MSC.
Yeah,
MSC brutal say a hona me my attitude and a hona me main. Hona or main say. May I take that now? No, what we have to do is because now so many way is coming out say. Yeah, if you know, and your girl, they are but times and sack a safe phone. They want to control Ghana to that point.
Moderators, but someone check your
Oh, sorry.
Yes, mom. Yeah, mama morning class your moderators.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, only me na Mr.
Na omo pese omo boa na oji fi na omo to afri ne ho. Omo to ni
Pacho
didi.
metimi abusa question kakra bisanfo.
Yo pacho.
Me pacho me chia mu nyina.
Ejo.
Beautiful queen. Pacho na ho ye de.
Nyame adonai.
E bi nyame ase. Me pacho me pese me busa a question we here for will no. Pese me busa say bibi wo ho a eso che will a ye friend no trust will. Ye friend bibi trust will a eso che will a nkasa ye yekoto you know. Your friend is say
What I can explain to you is that within in the UK, okay, maybe Ghana you have different things, but in the UK, and I also want to say this, UK law is like 90% the same as Ghana law. So within a will, you can create a trust. Okay. Normally that's if you say something is a trust will, maybe within the will there is a trust that's been set up within the will. Unless there is a separate trust document that has been set up, but within the will, that you can create a trust within a will.
oh, okay. Pacho the nti America sa no. Bi bisa ne, say nkrofo we mu. Me friend say, say tesa adwenboni ase bi wo mu ti mu no. E chen. Oh, sorry. Yeah, sorry. So maybe this is no.
Nneɛma bi wɔ ha mama yɛ nka wɔ ha because yɛ mpa negative menka sɛ menka wɔ ba nneɛma bi sɛ ma yɛ nka nneɛma bi na ma ɔmo nyɛ
Omo gu so ma screenshot na na me kote ye. Alabama or something like that. There was a moment there studying any
moment a court the aba sɛ if there's any trust will court ne de bɛba wɔn yɛn Ghana ko mama yɛ yi kakra me de nneɛma bi sɛ ana me
oh so as ye can no tuma on so much ba be fra fa ye so na me pese ye no say
me patrol me twawa no ma me sure say trust will be wɔ hɔ a court de bɛba I'm telling you court de bɛba wo de bi say your friend is a lawyer wo so yi o de bɛba on fa bi ma no nja bi ai
okay also almost say and on ye mfa nkoto court and then the court ni ho ba bia na isle gon esikafo ho nyina no na sese o mo ye wo Ghana
me say omo bua
tiani e wo say yesi so ne mo hu ne se bibia se ne wo na nkrofo we de se bi wo me o chen se huri ya
ma mention obi we 7 months kra ba obi wu within 14 days will be an esa odeba will be whether it's trust or esa odeba out.
Okay pacho matene me dem ase why pacho mon drop me kakra ya me sure
Don't worry. You know what it is?
because me kwati ya na makoma huri
Don't worry.
I mean we beginning no almost starting that there is a will na yes you the boom say will be anyhow so and e koba say nyame adom ye hu say will be anyhow to ma say start for another plan
there's a will mama ni betumi a challenge that's it mama ye ndi to utumi nya wo utumi ware wonya me say Mr. Dan kwa wonya wo
yes okay ma chane me da ma say why nti mon drop me kakra me nkwa na ofu ahwe be disturb mo why me da ma okay no thank you
I'm a full platform ni bio mu say there's one thing I'm a person make catch obi a was support mama Akosua Serwaa so obi anka na koma nto ne yam because ye kan say ya na bi mu say na ebi mbeba say Lumba de na japade akogye loan enye no krema me ntro mumie ni din to me na ye friend saying paper so na ba ko ne fa nkokọ to okogye loan kra ya mfa ma no because ye beka chen so nkofa the other person nya den emra na no so mesan enti enya possible enti obi anje sa de ni ntu enya possible e wo mu say ye Ghana system na bi mu nka no kra mum but enya possible ono kwant me fa ni din no papers ne nkogye your friends and loan bia and if there's any loan no beko akogye kra beko Bank of Ghana sa paper na bank kro no begina so de copy Bank of Ghana and ne japade na de beko akoto so on to me ono kwant me fa na japade ne nkogye abra anyo no nkwa na ni din wo so no on to me fa nkogye loan bank bia nu obegye ama na sign e pacho no anam ba sem de ka na obi amfa nto ni trim because ehwenhwan na do so dodo
John say ebi wɔ hɔ a ɔno nko ana ne din wɔ so right Na de ne din wo so no, o metimi akase bia o de esi awowa.
Ni din ni bibia ni bibia ni wan ono kwa din wo so.
Sister, abena usu. Me bacho negative energy
No
bia
be negative
no
di
why?
mama tro. Enko fo
Because there's nothing they can do.
they
Why?
can nothing bibia ni won betumi aye. Na je say na nimpa mpese obekasa na nimpa mpese omo ngini saa omo ngini.
Enye no nso onwani abre.
Ah bibia ni won be
enye you.
Me say Lumba, Maame Akosua Lumba ni enti a wan year well ne say because onim say owo ba papa wa as ne missus na ne missus no onye greedy enti onim say woni ho mpa ne missus ne behwe ma na chi bibia ye ye ni enti na wan year well and onim say na busuafo ne mepre ne yere well ho and onim say ne yere onim ne yere nim say wa wo nchen enti onim say definitely no ne yere ti mu nya den enti de baby na yere be ma ne mma bi onim na nipa no so ne yere ne pre no nankasa ya awe oya we omra no mebo ne hudua so onya awe a oya we say maame nankasa ne ti mu nya den wo na wi ase wo ya de no why very careful oya we obe guni pani ma si wie na wie a wa be ye ho te sese ni se won mo na mo di na chi na omo ye e na se ni se no mo nyina no ma ba out omo patcho na omo nkasa yi omo to adi no de be ba no pressing we obi lumba won ji loan bia wo Ghana no ji loan so because onim lumba no ko ji loan ayeden e dey ska no hia onya obekwa akọ loan e na loan nkro ji because okokra ye mfa ma no because ne yire na ni din wo bibia so eya na nkwasiafo bi tiba bi say na mefa radio station mefa say fa obi pa wo see radio station fa bra na wa be fa shegi ya mutum banza
Yeah, you think. Very critical. Oh.
anti simina mesa ba why
Yeah, so.
ade ni ehwenhwa de bia ehwenhwa adan ehwenhwa nko a ya bomba ye mpa bo ye adwume ehwenhwa bibia me de bi tete ade bibia ti amengi bibia ndi o sisi ame move for me hwe manim na me hwe enkunimdie nko na me hwe enkunimdie nko a
Amen.
me hu enkunimdie bebre
Amen.
enkunimdie nko na me hu bibia no betumi aye biom salata na abeto ne se lumba ni well bibia no betumi aye na ye kwa pulse won be giatum hwe mo popini mo ni nsakase ankofo so ni nsakase o nsakase so ba no man kasa no mo try mpo omo nye my dear omo nye because esi ano asemo ya ko be bia the whole world nti omo try kwa so be bibi
Yeah. I'm on. Yeah.
omo try my dear they won't try because sesi ano baby ayansa medudu no ho Russia chromati yensem Russia Russia chromati yasem Ukraine chromo kokra omo chromani abre chromati yasem Ukraine for ai
They won't try that.
I'm on try sister I'm on try Amba maja obi na anya na adwuma yie me na me ka to so obi na wanya na adwuma yie na sa nipa no ankasa nim ne ho sa wanya na adwuma yie what you say yes because we be nipa say nipa ye bia nipa ye obi na anya na adwuma yie aso try so be favor obi ntumi favor obi o hwa what bi ase na say obi aya japade ama na se wewu akosa japade na nipa ne ye ma no ko na kwotena ho tabora ho so ye kuro ubetumi akotena ho obi ansi ukwan na wontumi be fa bibia wo mbre ye na sabio senka wa adwen papa ana nka maami ba ye pe anka de mrika wo se o ma me ho se wa ba wakotena ba bi pacho brafie sa because the court and pa accept se mo mienu nyina ye yere a ada na wo de odo abusuafo nyina akotena edan ma occupy afie ni nyina eno na kire onipa na adwen e wo ni tirim eno kra na se judge bi a wo di atam no kra odi ho no kra biti no yes judge bi odi asem na so to me di okasa I put it to you say ada na say mumia nyina ye yire a wo kwa wa fa no abusuafo nyina akotena trefi ho na maame ne ba onya ba bi ntina say we greedy what you say yes we greedy if you wonim say maame ne ba wote ho yes no kra ba ko pe ya na yen yete won ye mpe no kra nti de bia sa na be ye na sa de we wo me se be change ye Ghana law ye Ghana system e be change ni papa hwe
Very sad. Oba just say Adam Fonchen or Cotton. A bra we see fear bobrow.
na wo de mama yen hwe say saban e court ne se mumienu nyina ye yere na fia me ba meti ho no what sad we busuafo akotena e den na opese wo e den na opese o kire prince la wo ba na nsu ai sota ye ton waton bi da ai sota won ton bi da enkradoko won ton bi da bese won ton bi da atadwe nyina won ton bi da na se bio se me sit down na foundation na me concrete na bigu e concrete na anya den a se ebetumi abubu ana ameboa ai wa mre enti se nka na sika ni wanka Lumba obeba abedi na chi nka wundi na chi uba na nka Lumba onye ni pe bia no ne no wundi na chi da okra ba akupo ye mpe no kra kenti de bia no ne kuro na esei ne kuro ni se ne se Ghana na ense bio me sa na me hu no se Ghana ebesesa omo hwe no ntumi so enru kuro na me amen kan kire British for omo na omo kolo na ye kuro no omo nko no omo kwaji kuro no omo sesen for 10 years no omo sanfa maye we de anya ntokwa we wa anya ntokwa moshi no omo siesie maye no omo fa omo 10 years ye de be ma omo 10 years keke they said they are Russia for Chinese for to me call your friend is saying Rwanda ekosiesie omo kuro omo sisi dan ni ade nyina ma omo flat no na ye de ama Britain for no my year man 10 years abeji ya de no anu.
Okay, nti se ne de asem no aye critical e da be ka cho se lawyer akomia ebowura mu echeche nsemu ekwan abusuan betimi afaso ache ejapade no na se ekoba se mentemi wase etimi eba mu a na se court no so beba mu na omotimi ababehwe ache amasumdwe etimi ampa na ne che ni mu nyina no omo be factor enkra Lumba ewo ye omo age se nipa no anase emofra no eye above 18 a was the PNDC law 111 no ene sebe a lawyer for emra akunyini no mode ye adwuma no o mesifa ede afa so no macha no se enkro no so age no eye below 18 so a ene so wo kwan a o betimi afa so acha saa ne o mante se ne de abusua me se enseme de yenya nwie kra entinya botere de betofom bia no ye de ba besom all platform we so